face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. Me I represent for Sweetfam. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right.
Check, Sweet Squad, and enough respect. Welcome to our vlog.
Yes, guys, welcome back to the Sweetfam.
Say hi, Tally.
Hi.
So, guys, a few weeks ago, we show you our journey with our pot that was gifted to me by my dad. So the pot come a long way, as you can see in previous vlogs. So I stored this pot down. It's Scotch Brite and stuff like that.
Guys, I'm going to interrupt because him tricked the crowd. He never used no Scotch Brite. Well, he tried to use Scotch Brite, but that never did the trick. The man used one drill. So the drill away use people. So it brought out enough work it do to bring the party. I wish party there, yeah?
Yes,
so he tricked you guys. So he used
this
really drill to
score down the
score.
Thank you, Alicia. Yes,
yes, guys.
Today we have the first meal in the pot.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be some oxtail, stew peas,
guys.
Stew peas.
Yes, so as you saw from the description, we are going to put stew peas, but it's oxtail we're gonna use, guys. So you know what I get the salt beef and the little pig stew rate, but we couldn't get none at the butchers, so we're just gonna settle for the oxtail alone. So join us in the kitchen today, guys, where I'll be chefing up some food. So stay tuned, people.
Yeah, we will be chefing up some food today in this spot. So
yeah, guys. So keep watching. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Not bye. You'll see you later.
All right. Yes, guys. So we went out and get some oxtail from the butchers. So now I'm going to wash off my oxtail with some vinegar. Hey guys, so nice oxtail. Yeah, hope some you wanna see it. Yeah, so yeah, guys, so I'm gonna wash off this here now with some vinegar. Where you gonna go? All right, oxtail ready for put on now, guys. So normally I would get a little piece of pig tail and some salted beef, but I didn't get any today, so we're just gonna be using the oxtail today, guys. So keep checking in and then make we cook. Yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna put in the peas and the oxtail together so them can cook. You know, it was them tough. So I'm gonna add some garlic in as well to see if it can help it cook faster. Yeah, check. Yeah, so them potatoes a bit. So I'm gonna put in the oxtail and red kidney beans. Yeah. So yeah. Stew peas. Yeah, guys. So in the meantime, I will go and make some patty dough and make some beef patties. Right here, I have my flour. I put the egg color in as well. So I'm just gonna, well, you're gonna see I'm gonna get this in the flour basically to make it nice and crispy. So yeah, me go work that, you know.
Work that.
Yeah, me go work this right now. I'm going to make the dough first. Before I fry up the minced beef, so the dough can go and set and thing. Yeah, so yes people, so go and tune in because we don't want to make this vlog super long, so I'm just gonna tune in when time I finish rub out the butter and the flour basically.
I'm looking forward to the stew peas though. It's perfect for a nice rainy Saturday afternoon in London. So I'm looking forward to that warm, thick stew peas gravy over the white rice.
And a long time Thaisa requested, you know, because she asked for it for a couple of weeks, but we just leave work today. I went to the butcher's and say, I just cook some stew peas, because normally I would have put the peas soak and thing, guys, but I'm just, but it actually take long to cook
Some
anyway.
people use pressure cooker.
Yeah, that
like a pressure
like.
cooker.
I really love pressure cooker for real. Prefer just make it cook on the stove. Yes guys, so checking in again.
Check.
So the beef is here ready. Yeah, fry up the beef, go in the patty, guys. So we have our dough here setting as well, but we run out of cheese, so Ty's gonna shop go and buy cheese, and in the meantime I just go and cut up the stuff them for go in at the pot when that finish. So you know we have fresh thyme here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut up the onion.
On your fingers.
Put it away here. Yeah.
You know, that's the American way to cut.
Yeah. So the British way, because I've
The
written
raw.
it, you know.
I don't know, I just chop it. Really. Fingers. So this is white onion.
Yes, so this is white onion, and just as my cut, just have to put it in a little pot here. So yeah, I'm gonna cut up. I have a piece of red bell pepper. I'm gonna cut that. You're like Thais calling the phone, so. Lisa? Thais?
They have scotch bonnet.
Them
They
not
have scotch bonnet.
them have
Scotch
any
bonnet.
red pepper?
So,
Them not have no not what name they, you know, not bell pepper, like hot pepper.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
buy
chili.
one or one green one. Preferably the red. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright, then see you in a bit.
That's a bad.
Bye.
Actually, get that.
Alright, bye.
Coconut cream.
Yes, so we have a coconut cream for going out with thing as well. Yeah, so we have it's a bell pepper, guys. We have some plant over here, so to, you know,
You put plant in it?
fry bad story.
No,
You
it's
can
side
know
and
who,
it is. No, how like
people you can know who don't come in the kitchen regular. Yeah, so we fry a piece of plantain as well for go as a side, piece of side, yeah.
piece of side.
Piece of side.
Piece of side.
Yeah. Alright, I wash my pepper them already.
When?
When you're never in the
I'm
kitchen.
out for you.
He
you know,
is
so
just
you better-
here do it behind the camera, guy. When time the filming done, you run gone out to the kitchen left me. So him no know when nothing a go on. Yeah.
Don't make any mistake, my mistake. I remember you rep me out of it.
My mice you out. My mice you out a while ago.
Uh-huh.
Alright. And I'm gonna use some green bell pepper as well.
Okay.
I'm taking these bits out because they are bitter and bitter. Yeah.
And so it's good for your nerves as well.
Sweet pepper.
Sweet, green pepper, sweet pepper. I same thing, eh? Sweet pepper, green pepper.
Yeah.
So this is for the patty, right? Or
This is for the stew peas,
So-
but I'm just making preparation. So when it finished, we have everything ready to go in. So, I go cut up piece of scallion, you know. So I have scallion, thyme, onion, bell pepper. That's what I use in my thing. I'll go wash off this a little bit more because it should cut off.
That one never get washed.
Cut off the root. Yeah, and I
so when I cut it right up to the white part.
Yeah, waste the base.
Right up to right, so I
no,
cut it. But that's at the root as well.
No way.
You don't want that, you want the
man,
green.
Yeah, waste the thing. You can't waste the thing like that, man. Brother.
I think say that right.
My youth. Yo, my youth. You saw me a kinch off them, yeah?
The top of it, I don't cut the top of it, man.
Cut the top because all sort of something fly on this, so.
So no fly down
no fly down this, so.
Right, brother.
Go up at the top, they say it fly.
Okay.
Yeah. You see, fresh.
I don't normally cut the top, to be honest.
No, I cut it for you
cut the bottom, but I cut it to the white
nice
part.
and fresh, because, yeah. All right, people, so I go cut up this as well. Normally, my mother would have just beat it up and chew it. You know what I go do? I go cook like my mother today. I go get one buckle and beat up that and just put it in the pot.
So you have equipment that can beat it like the proper way.
I have equipment, you know, but it's a
you can't find them.
It's an old-fashioned kind of cook, you know? Yeah.
You're supposed to have a little mallet and can do that.
Yeah, man, you have all of that as well, you know? But this is the real authentic way.
So you can throw with them there.
Alright, so we have fresh seasoning ready for going at the pot. That just look big, so though. I cut it in a two. Yeah. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Yes, Sweet Squad. So we're gonna check in back with you guys.
So barbecue sauce getting into it? Jerk sauce getting into it?
No, man.
That was used for the minced beef.
I just put a bit of it in the minced beef as well, guys. So,
minced beef.
Yeah. You know what, yeah? I'm going to finish off this and then start getting the patty ready for the oven. Because, guys, this is true piece and I already for know because the oxtail tough and the tea stuff. So, everybody did feel hungry inside here. So, I'm going to just go and put the patty them in the oven.
Okay.
Yeah? Now go and roll out the door.
Check. Check again, Sweet Squad.
Alright, I put flour here so that's the dough don't stick up here.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
This looks like the real beef patty.
This is going to be the real beef patty. I might do a separate vlog again, although I do a vlog already when I do beef patty, but that was ages ago and we just started.
Bisa is back with the goodies.
Yes, guys, Bisa, Thais, you're back.
Yeah,
all right.
Back with the goodies. What
Thais,
you have there now?
Get everything. Alright. Yeah, guys, so we forgot the cheese to go in at the patty. So she go buy cheese and some little goodies. So basically, I want pepper to go in at the thingy, but them never have any Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to see what flavor we're going to get from these chilies. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to roll out my thing here now.
That's just like one big giant patty.
Yeah.
I wonder what that would look.
What the patty?
It would that be?
It may have to roll it out. I would make one patty. Yeah.
No,
I know I would catch you. I know I would catch you. Yes, Sweet Squad, so I just roll out the dough here now.
I think you're getting the flour everywhere.
Yeah, the flour gone all over the place, but if I use
literally getting it everywhere.
If I don't use the flour, then it's gonna start sticking up all over. All this. Alright, so we need some.
There you have it, guys. Real authentic Jamaican queen making real authentic Jamaican homemade patty.
Yeah.
My. I love when it rains and I sat there because we can't go nowhere. So still man cook.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I get something with a round, what do you call this?
Circumference.
And we're gonna cut out the part of them. I just feel a little bit
So
goes a bit thicker than down here, so alright, so I'm gonna go cut out them patty now. Alright, so we have to get 4. So we have to like repeat the process.
So the dough go back together now, then you roll it out all over.
Yeah, you have to repeat the process.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So in the meantime,
So the minced beef is there.
yeah, yes, so it's good. Okay, guys, so we're gonna check in on the patty now. So I'll go on. Alright. This need a whole heap of cooking still. See, everything is still hard. Yeah, so need a whole heap of cooking still. Normally would have cut the fat off, but you say it a boil out. We just leave it on.
So give it a flavor as well?
Give it a flavor, yeah.
Okay. So back to the
Alright,
patties.
back to the patty now, guys. So yeah, we roll it a little bit. And then what I normally do is use punk ice cream thingy to put the beef on, so we get like the same amount in each patty. Yeah, so much beef are going on one patty. Homemade stuff always the best stuff. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use sliced cheese, and then I'm just gonna put one cheese in. Yeah, then I'm gonna fold it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use the fork to seal that bit there.
Nice artwork.
Yes, guys, see? A nice Jamaican beef patty. Yeah, homemade.
Can I try one?
You want to try one?
I'm trying.
Alright, I'm wash my hand.
Are you telling me to wash my hand indirectly?
As well, I wash off the flour still, but yeah.
Like a cherry make one.
Yeah.
Oh, super one.
If your one come out better, you're gonna make them all the time. So you're trying to make your one look neater than mine.
You can try one. So really put my foot in it there. One of them, they may want to roll out more.
But I tell you if you do nothing. I'm not telling you nothing.
Alright. So give it a scoop of the minced beef. I really don't think it requires 2 scoops there.
But go for go say that a fear without cheese. Me just did I go say that a fear. Me not even I go tell you till you close it.
Cheese on that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's throw it over same way, so. So I want the beef is spread out.
Yes.
And then the tip of the fork. Go on.
Can you believe it?
Okay, go. And that's it. And yeah, my one. Anyway, well done with it.
Well done, and thank you for putting beef over my mat, Witty. People, I know so now go on my patty. This is fat, belly full patty this
Size
baby
no
finite. Watch the difference. Look how that big. That make like 2 or 3 patty the way. Look how so it high like cost of living.
How much patty you gonna get? More patty
Yeah.
with my what the way there?
Know yourself.
Cause your
A
patty are like
homemade
two,
this
two scoop of beef you
This
using
a
that one.
homemade, yeah. So we have to get the best. So come patty flat like I want blow slice of bread. Like seriously. Oh wow. Okay. Let me continue. Yeah guys, so we're gonna check in when time we put in the patty and them ready.
Check.
Check. Checking in guys. So I'm gonna egg wash the patty them now. Yeah. Yeah. Look on that. Stay in your lane, man. Come over another.
Can't wait for the egg wash to reach him.
Be my ticket, you know. Yeah, get lost. Too greedy.
And that's the one I made, yeah.
Which one you make?
That one.
The one where I get trouble?
Yes.
Listen, you made a flat one day. A flat one, that bread one day you make. Yeah.
Slice of bread.
Slice of bread. Are you heard one, you know?
The one, yeah. The one that everybody want. The one you want to the one. Patty.
Yeah. Alright. Let's put a little more egg pan this one and then we're gonna put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. So here's my homemade patties. Yeah. Homemade patties, guys. Yeah. I like to explore in my kitchen. If you want me to do more cooking vlog, guys, leave a comment in the comment section if you want more cooking vlogs, right? So we're gonna put this in the oven now for 20 minutes and then we're gonna check in back when it's finished. Yes guys, so I forgot, so I'm gonna add no pimento seed in my pot. So I'm gonna add that. So come on still. Alright. Yeah man, see there? Peas them look like them soon cooking now. Yes guys, it's getting there. I'm gonna need some flour now, because you don't know. You can't have stew peas and have no spinners in there. So I'm gonna make some spinners now guys. So I'm gonna need up some flour now while this go and cook as well. Yes guys, we don't need no leaf because I make them small. People look on the patty. It's a massive patty, you know. Look how it cover my hand. Tarika get this because him claims him love patty. So patty him one, patty he shall get. Alright, I need up my flour, you know, guys. Just go add a little salt and make my spinners them. Yeah, so I just prepare everything so when the pot ready for season up and thing and everything is ready. Yeah, people. Alright, the flour is ready. So everything is here ready up for when the meat and the peas done cook, guys. Wow, patty ready. Patty is ready. Alright. I'm gonna open the oven and take out this patty, guys. So check it. Yes, sweet squad. So yes, sweet squad. So the patties are officially ready. See? Nice patty. Bone off my hand. But yeah, guys, you know, I have to cut one of them and make gonna see.
You cut it?
But
normally if you buy a patty that you're gonna cut it.
You have to go bite it for the camera then.
Break it.
Oh yo, them a bone off my finger still. Alright, so let's cut them, guys. Let's cut this one. Oh, yo. Woo. Bounty killer. Look there. And cheese bomba. Attack one of man do. Ah. Yes, guys, real deal. See, nothing beat homemade. Because when you make your own pot, look how much beef in that. So that's filling. And you can enjoy that sweet squad. Yeah. So, yeah. With me, it's still not cooked yet. So, we'll check in again when the pot really season up.
Okay.
Watch it pot a bubble. Watch it pot a bubble. Alright, guys, I'm going to check out one of this piece of patty here now. Cut that. Well, see a cool patty with more, see? Nice and crispy. Cheese. Yeah, man. I can safely say them taste good. Nice. Alright, guys, so check in again now upon the meat. Go try if the oxtail cook. The oxtail cook. Go and season the pot. Like it won't cook, come on, same way. Alright, guys, so I'm going to put in the coconut cream now. That go and cook. So the meat almost done cook, so I just go and season up the pot. So the seasoning cook in the meat. By the time everything cook, then all of the flavor and everything will be in the meat. Yeah. Once the pot too small, I'm gonna add the something they eat, the spinners them. Look nice and rich though. Jeez, the people. Stew peas for days. Right, that's so. Right, that's so. Alright guys, so I just got other stock, a Maggi stock. And then that's about it, because this have a lot of flavor in it, guys. And yeah, that will bring up the flavor. And I tell you, like, this smell nice. Well, taste by never get the Scotch bonnet pepper, but me, I got add the sweet the pepper we should get tonight still, the chili. That look thick and nice. Yeah, baby. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make the spinners them. Like when my spinners them I rub a flour from my hand. I like when my spinners them small and just slip one in my mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in the pot now.
You can make the round one there?
Which one? The round spinners? That are not spinners that?
They look round ball looking one. You like the one.
Make some my ball one for you. I make them small. So you say make few of the ball one for you.
The balls one.
That's the balls one. Oi oi. Alright, so I make some round ball like this, put in a pot. So them one day like baby.
Just sink.
You say it just sink down. Alright. Yes, people. Stew paste pot looking good and smelling good as well. Can smell all of the flavors coming through. Yep. Yeah, guys. Way. All right. So that's soon land. Both soon land. So just I go cover that up but now and leave that for cook. All right. Yes, guys. So this stew peas pretty much need another like 5 minutes to cook, and the rice nice and shelly. I'm gonna make the fresh vegetable now. Yeah, make the fresh vegetable. Still not fry the plantain yet. The food is almost there. So I just make the fresh vegetable now and then fry the plantain. Yes, guys. So if you want us to do more cooking vlog, comment down in the comment box and let us know, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in that now, guys. Yeah. Combine them together. And then we just go put a little bit of vinegar to that. I'm gonna add a little vinegar. And then I'm gonna add like 1 spoon of sugar and just mix that around. Mix that around, and then I'm just gonna pour that over. Pour that over the cabbage and the carrot. Just mix that up. Quick and easy. Clean them plant if you go and fry. Yes, guys. Yes, people. So the boat land. So we're gonna share the food now. Yeah. Stick out them time here. Alright. And they're also important.
True peas.
True peas. I'm search for a few pieces of the oxtail. Come on, the oxtail almost cook off of the bone. Nice and tender. And some spinach. You see, you like them on your baby?
One on them, I love them.
Alright. I'll get 2 more. The spinach here. And we have a plantains here. Yes, guys, so this is it. Our stew peas is ready. Yes, sweet squad.
Yes. It's the mood of hungry. Food time.
Yes, sweet squad, moment of truth. We're gonna be tucking in this nice food now. Say spinach said speed. Oh boy. Yeah, my youth. This is so good. See, what you oxtail just come right off of the bone. Yes, guys, it's very delicious. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen. Remember to subscribe if you're watching and haven't subscribed. And we'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Take care until the next vlog.
Peace
Bye.
out.
Be safe, good man. Yes, Sweet Squad. So remember to leave us a comment and tell you if you want to see some more cooking on the vlogs. And give us a thumbs up and share the video, guys. Yes, 2 piece for dinner.